Okay, so we've got some good news and we've got some bad news.
The good news is Apple made resetting and erasing your MacBook ridiculously easy.
And the bad news is this video we just made a few weeks ago is obsolete now and a lot harder. So thanks a lot, Apple. Welcome back, tech heads.
Kevin and Blake here.
All right, Kev, let's try this again.
Tech-tastic. Follow me with these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Important note. Before we start, keep in mind this method is only going to work with the newly released macOS Monterey. So if you haven't updated yet, make sure you go to the Apple icon right here and open up your system preferences. Then click on Software Update and make sure your MacBook is up to date. P.S. Plug your MacBook into power as well for the rest of this video. Step 2. Go to the Apple logo again and open System Preferences once again. From here, go to the System Preferences tab and scroll down to Erase All Content and Settings. We'll now be entering a brand spanking new Erase Assistant.
Oh wait, Kev, I didn't make a backup of my MacBook yet. We can't start yet.
No worries, you still have time.
Perfect. And if you need to make one as well, make sure you check out this video right here and we'll show you how.
From the Erase Assistant screen, you'll need to enter your password for your user account.
My user account?
You know, the password you use to log into your MacBook.
Oh, right. Duh.
Once your password is entered, click OK to continue. From this screen, you will see a list of users that will be erased from your MacBook, including all the data that belongs with them. Click Continue right here, and your MacBook will give you a final warning that it is about to erase all content and settings from your MacBook.
Okay, Kev, before we get to step 3, what if one of our tech-tastic viewers has multiple users on their MacBook? They might not want to lose all those users' data too.
That's totally fine. Just make sure you back up each user account first, and you'll have nothing to worry about. Step 3. Once you're ready and positive that everything is okay to delete, click on Erase All Content and Settings. While your MacBook erases and reboots itself, you should really check out these mind-blowing iPhone features right here.